I'm filming this graffiti.
Run, 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 run.
Girl, I wanna... It's kind of cool to think that we're canoeing in Toronto.
Right. That's kind of part of it.
In the boat. She is standing in the boat.
Oh my god.
That's right, it's okay. Your paddling hand.
Oh, we're paddling, man.
We're getting away from the wall.
Yeah, we're leaving the wall. It's happening.
Sing with all the voices and then paint with all the colors. Do these swans belong to the queen as well?
Yeah. Sorry, buddy. You or us.
We'll just have to be one of them. Get in line with them.
That's scary.
You know what that swan's name is?
What?
Horatio.
Ron Swanson.
Oh, God. Get on the boat now. Get out.
You're walking home.
Swim to the road.
Aaron, there's a beaver right here.
Yeah, there's a beaver right there. They catch them.
So you're not impressed?
No. They're horrible for the environment.
What are you talking about?
So you want to get a nice pan by?
Yeah. That's why I'm not helping. Because I'm filming. This happens to me a lot when I'm boating with people. I just stop helping.
Did you get that?
I...
Wow. God, look at that wingspan.
Beautiful.
Yeah, fly the other way, sir. We're just gonna keep following you if you keep... Sir? Sir.
That's the way we're going. Fucking yeah!
I can't see, but I'm sure you're right.
I can just see a little blurb.
We saw lots of birds on our adventure. And a beaver that Aaron hated for some reason. It took me a while. So loud.
See you guys on a computer in half an hour.
Very fucking
Yeah.
weird to get together like this and then be like, see you in a minute on the internet for the second part of our hangout.
Up and then run away. Further, keep running. You're still in the shot. You never left the shot. I can't even use a clip of you with being out of the shot. Yeah, I'll tell you when to stop running. Run. Wow. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Congratulations, Catherine.
Thank you.
You study.
Hello. I don't know if you remember this from my footage last year when I went to Spain and Portugal, but I bought a spoon rest as a souvenir in Spain. And I actually bought two. I bought one, and then before I even got back to my hotel, I broke it. So then a couple days later, I went back and bought the same one, and I managed to get it home, and I have had it for a year, and I broke it. I broke it again. Here are the pieces. I'm pretty sure it's made of like chalk, essentially. So I shouldn't be too surprised that it has broken twice, and now I will throw it away, which is too bad. Too bad. But I did discover that instead of buying another one, I have another one, which I didn't realize this was a spoon rest, but the little divot here gives it away. I thought it was one of those like wine coasters where you put the bottle of wine on it so that it doesn't drip on your tablecloth. Not that I have any tablecloths or drink wine. That's the story of my spoon rest. R.I.P.